Well, hello again. This is another video on how to make money taking surveys, and this video actually is going to be a little different. I'm not going to a survey site uh, in like I normally do, but what I am doing is I'm taking you to my Amazon account, Amazon.com, because I wanted to show you the rewards that you can get. And as far as that's concerned, my Amazon.com rewards, which you can get from many of the survey sites, offer Amazon.com gift cards. And of course, I'm on the part where it has my gift card balance as I'm clicking on right here. And you could see pretty promptly, easily, that I have almost $500. And that is not a misprint. That is not an error. That is the truth. I do have about that much. And you can see, scroll down here where it says your balance activity, and here is the last like week or so. And as I've claimed, these are claimings of Amazon gift cards of $5, a dollar, and then 25. And then we have some things that I purchased. So, okay, so now I'm going to scroll down and let me see if I could see next. Then this is still in July, as July 12th. This is another gift card, You're seeing here 15, 15, 25, 10. And then I actually purchased something. Now we're in June. I had a $30 gift card claim, 25, 15, okay? And we're still in June. So let's say we're still in June, 15, 15, 15 gift cards claimed. And we go now to the end of May. So we would be, that's talking about 2 months. Okay, and I have added up the rewards, the Amazon gift cards that I've accumulated, and I found that it's taken me roughly 2.5 months to accumulate roughly the $500, and there was about roughly close to $100 worth of spending. So you're looking at, as I'm just going back to where I was before, here, back to this page. So I basically accumulated somewhere probably closer to 600, but with what I spent, roughly around the $500 that I have right now, and about 2.5 months. And that is not including the rewards that I have received from other things such as cash and checks and PayPal and stuff like that. Now, of course, this is not going to happen when you just go onto one survey site. It's not going to happen like right away. It's going to take some time, especially if you join a number of survey sites. It's still not going to just happen overnight. But as I've been doing surveys for many years, that translates to what you see here. And I can also tell you, let me see if I can get to my orders. I'm going to show you something here. Okay, here we go. Hopefully it'll take me to my orders. Okay, you can see here some of the things that have been ordered. We have a Roku player. See, some of these things I'm not going to mention because they're not really much, sorry, to talk about. I got some different things here. We have, as things that I would consider being fairly expensive items, here we have a Palbo Wi-Fi pet camera, as you can see where I'm clicking. We have a Dirt Devil vacuum cleaner below that. Then we have let's see, we have, oh God, there's so many things here that if you see as I'm scrolling up and down, you can see all sorts of stuff. There's a book, there is a gaming headset, there is a VR headset. I got I got the PlayStation VR bundle. which was about over 500 something dollars. I got the VR charging stand, and as I keep going, and it'll keep scrolling. I mean, um, you know, and so that takes us to that just takes us to roughly the beginning of this year, as you can see here, delivered February 14th. I didn't mean to want to click on it, but so now I'm going to try to go back up as it's just wanting to be a pain. Well, this is taking some time. Anyway, not to spend so much time, but these are just some of the items that I've ordered. Now, of course, that is in the last 6 months. I just saw that right there. So I'm going to show you in 2016 what we have, because there are some items that I purchased that were quite sizable, but it might not want to go. Well, anyway, um, I'm going to try one more time. And I guess it doesn't want to do what I want. Well, I can only tell you that last year I did purchase an iPad Pro 12.9 inch, which was over 500 something dollars, and I've purchased exercise equipment, coffee makers. It was a portable dryer for drying clothes, and quite a few different things. So uh, after all this is said and done, this is basically some of the rewards that you can actually accumulate if you stick to doing the surveys and you take the time, and you put your effort into it. It's not like you really have to spend 40 hours a week. It's not a full-time job. You don't have to do that. But if you could see what can be achieved, at least as far as with the Amazon credit that I showed you there. So I'm probably about ready to leave things here. And until another time, I will then be going on to talking about another survey site, because there's certainly plenty. That's for sure. There's never pretty much a limit to how many survey sites there are. You could probably just sit there and join 20, 30, 40 of them, and some will give you more surveys than others. But anyway, until next time, please feel free to leave comments. I know this video might have been a little disjointed. It's kind of because sometimes the web page doesn't want to work with me very well. But anyway, until next time, just see you then.